Let me show you what my banana plants grown near Seattle, Washington look like after winter. Now this winter we had low temperatures of about 15 degrees Fahrenheit or about -10°C. If you're not familiar, it rains most days during the winter around this area, Western Washington, and we rarely see the sun from October to May. It doesn't freeze a lot, but it does freeze, and we do have temperatures that go as low as 15 degrees, zone 8A, many winters. Now, these bananas were left unprotected through the winter. The only thing I did was throw some extra leaves on top of them. That was it. A lot of times I see people get really concerned because when you uncover bananas at the springtime, they're often very mushy. They look rotten. They are rotten on the outside and the edges. And if it was any other plant, I would say there's no way that this thing is still alive. It's going to be dead for sure, but not the musa basjoos. They look disgusting. They look like they're dead. As long as the corm didn't freeze underground, the plant is not dead and it will come back to life. It doesn't matter what it looks like above ground. So give it some time. Give it a little bit of warm weather. Once you get into the high 50s, low 60s Fahrenheit, something like 10°C to 14°C in that range on the Celsius scale, these bananas will start growing and you'll be just fine. Watch other videos on musa basjoos by clicking on the playlist in the corner.